Welcome to MacGyver's Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next. If you're not too careful, you just might learn something.
Well, welcome to another little episode of MacGyver's Workshop, where I am about ready to get in the car and hoof it to South Carolina. I'm going to go visit my son. He's opening his new car repair shop, ASAP Automotive, and I'm gonna do a long weekend out there, and let's go. Oh yeah, we are on the road. We're gonna get it's about probably gonna be a 7-hour drive for me, so I'll kind of pop in and out on the way and record anything notable. So road trip. So this is really cool. This is not something you see on the road every day. As if my S400 hybrid wasn't rare enough, I just got passed by an S650 Maybach. That's awesome. You just don't see those around. Not around here anyway. Maybe you see them in like Beverly Hills somewhere or something like that. But that's it's an S650 V12. And that thing makes mine look like, you know, a taxi cab pretty much. Alright, so now I am at 1789 Fairview Road in Simpsonville, South Carolina. And this is the location of my son's new shop. And but first things first, most importantly, more than anything, Boudreaux! Come here, buddy. There's my Boudreaux buddy, Dougie. Yes, he's a big baby puppy. Yes, he is. Oh, he's like the shop dog, and nobody comes here to see my son. They just come here to see the dog.
Yeah, care less about me.
Howdy, son. How the heck are you?
I'm quite well.
Oh.
I've been warned you're not safe from the shenanigans.
Yeah. Sarcasm. I'm an equal opportunity sarcast, so.
Sarcasmist.
Yeah. Yeah, son. I think the whole idea that your 6-inch border there, a whole lot better than trying to buy those little ones.
God, it's like a fraction of the cost too. It's taller. Like the ghetto sheetrock that was in there, the way it was done, it would have never covered half that anyway. So.
Well, that and you can just run you a bead of brown caulk around the top,
Yeah.
and you're good to go. So what do you think we can do there, son, what do you think we can do? You gotta come up with something good. You gotta launch your business.
We can do some kind of collaboration with 2 channels. Or...
Yeah. Well, I thought about that, but I'm trying to think of what we can do.
I mean, we could do like some automotive repair showdown, but I'd hate to embarrass you.
Well, you know, you do have that, that big bright piece of paper now that says use a smart smucker.
Yeah.
But
They say it's like it's frowned upon to embarrass senior citizens, so I didn't want to go that route or anything. That'd be kind of nice, but
well, we could do a
some kind of build some kind of
Well, yeah, you know, that way you'd be able to put your money where that big ass mouth of yours is. You know? Because then you can sit there and, oh.
Thing's possessed.
Yeah, personally, I think our cameraman just gets his jollies on it. But, you know, hey, I could be wrong. You want to get up here?
Who is that guy anyways? I've never seen him.
Oh, shit. You know what, son?
No, but I'm sure you're about to tell me.
Well, you know, neither of us are obviously made of money.
You want to build a $100,000 drag project car or something? I mean, come on. I mean, endless budget, right?
Yeah, that's what credit
Just
is.
magically happens every week, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
I already have a wife that's already understanding enough to let me do all there to go home and me having a shop and everything. I'm just not going to keep pushing it.
Yeah, you don't want to push the envelope too much.
You get a nice surprise call from a divorce lawyer or something. Hey, by the way.
What about a go-kart or something?
God, what are you, like 5 or something? Like 10 or whatever? You know, go-kart, like...
Wake up, numbnuts. Not a go-kart like that.
I mean, you want to go to...
I'm talking about a go-kart like you or I would build.
Oh, a Paladini go-kart.
Yeah.
Like a big black Chevrolet sitting in it or something? Or...
That might be a little costly, but what about a Gixxer kart?
Yeah, I can see something like that. Real man put a boost on his, but I'm just saying.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I think that's what we ought to do. We could call it Death Cart Throwdown. What do you think?
I like it. It's got a good ring to it.
Yeah?
You can do something with that.
And you know, I can probably get some of my guys from work to show up. We could do like a grand finale, you know, because we're hooked up with the Corvette Museum. We rent a track out.
Think you need to make something like that happen?
Get a bunch of people who show up, film it.
Do like a build series, do some episodes on it, and then build up to it?
Yeah, that'd be cool. And that'd be, see, that way, maybe some of my viewers, you know, I mean, I don't know, they're not really into like lame-o people, but, you know, they might just, you know, a couple of them might drift over to your channel, just, you know, kind
This is a lot of badass to take in, so I mean, it's kind of, we're having to ease people into it, you know? It's just a lot of awesomeness. And also humble, too.
We're supposed to be able to keep a straight face while we're doing this, aren't we? It ain't working. All right. So I think we're somewhat in agreement.
Yeah? Yeah, I'd say so.
All right. So, well, it's your new shop. Announce it.
So, we've there's been a lot of smack talking getting to this point, and we got a little bit on the video, but there's so much more over the past few months. So we were trying to, this actually goes all the way back around Christmas time, I was up there visiting, and we were talking about trying to come up with some kind of project and collaboration for the two channels.
We kind of alluded to that in the Christmas video on
Yeah,
my channel.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, we did talk about it a little bit then. So we've kind of decided on a project that I think is going to be a hell of a lot of fun, and not to mention sketchy as hell too. But the two of us together, that's horribly dangerous anyway. So what we decided on is we come together and just a few basic ground rules, and that's it. But we're going to build. Both channels are going to build some kind of go-kart with some kind of larger motorcycle engine on it. The rule is like no cars, no like small blocks or big blocks or anything. Yeah, LS. We're gonna just have a few LSs laying around the shop. So, well, we figured it'd be an awesome project build to really kind of just get the channel out there. Hope you guys would hopefully enjoy. We think it's gonna be a blast building these things. So, we've already got a ton of different things in mind. So, of course, we're gonna put the old man in his place. So.
Anyway, and then of course, please, all my viewers, check out the ASAP Automotive channel.
And it's the ASAP. Like I said, unfortunately, somebody already had ASAP Automotive. They hadn't done anything in a few years. We're trying to get a hold of them to get the name, but so we just threw the in front of it. So when you're looking it up,
And here is, I'm going to try and post a little caption here, but I will have a link to it in the description. So you'll be able to just click and go right to it. And to all my viewers, please subscribe.
come show us some love. Give a little subscribe, like, and turn on the bell for the notifications. So
Yeah, because you know, the reason that most of my viewers have liked my channel is for the how-to stuff with the cars. And you're going to have way more opportunities for that than I am being a commercial shop.
yeah, we're not gonna really try to stick to one super particular thing. So you're gonna see a lot of like how-tos, some build series, you know, these kind of collaborations. You know, there's maybe a couple other channels we'd like to do some stuff with. So, you know, we're going to try to keep it variety, keep it exciting for you guys. And so, yeah, you know, like I said, we'll definitely, this won't be the only project with MacGyver's Workshop. We'll be doing some more. So,
Oh yeah, plus,
we're excited about it.
you know, you're out here in the Carolinas, you're in like racing country.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know, stay tuned to the MacGyver's Workshop channel too, because we'll be coming to some of these events that they have. And I'll make a marathon weekend and head out here. And
Oh, yeah. This is just the beginning. We've got a ton of plans, a lot of different things. So, you know,
our
stuff
wives,
in the works.
our wives are very nervous.
Probably rightfully should be. I mean, there's two of us together.
Well, you know.
Thanks,
All right.
man. Okay.
Death cart, throw down. Thanks for watching.